Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily create a fireworks text effect in the CapCut Mobile. So first, just use a black background like this and write your tags. Here I'm going to just write fireworks. Change the font into the one you want. I'm going to use this barrel font. Adjust the size, then export this project. Click on arrow up, save to device, and open it in a new project. Okay, so I've already opened it in a new project. Then after you open it in a new project, just go to overlay, add overlay, then go to the stock videos. In the atmosphere category here, find the fireworks video and add it to the timeline like this. Okay, after that, fit the size first, go to blend and choose the darken option. Click on a check icon. So there you go, this is the text with fireworks effect. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.